Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Michelle Barrett. I've been a personal stylist for 26 years and I now help you build capsule wardrobes and reduce your packing and save space when you travel. Today's video is about how to pack light so that you can go away feeling good and looking fabulous. So let's get started. So to start off, you want to choose 2 or 3 basics. By that, I mean maybe you have a linen pair of shorts, linen trousers, a lightweight pair of jeans, and some sort of dress. I really love this wrap dress I got from ASOS. The reason why I like this and the reason why I think these work really, really well is because this could be dressed up for the evening, but also great for wandering around the city in the daytime. And the other thing that is fantastic about wrap dresses is they suit pretty much every type of body type. They come in here and then gently flare out. So if you are somebody who's got a bit of a tummy, you can get a wrap dress that comes under here and then gently flares out. That will go over that tummy, so you won't have any issues with that either. And the other thing that is fantastic about wrap dresses is the fact that if you are on the beach, you can slip this over the top of your bikini and have a walk around town. Just tie it up like a beach wrap and head straight into town. So yes, I would go for maybe a linen or a denim pair of shorts, a linen or a denim pair of trousers, and then also something a bit like this, maybe a wrap dress. The alternate to this is maybe a tea dress as well, because that's another type of dress that works for most body types. It would be great for dressing up or dressing down. So that's a tea dress as well. Now, the other reason why this works is because, as you can see, it's got a line here. It comes in underneath the bust and then it gently flares out. That type of shape works really well for different types of people. And also, again, this dress could be dressed up for evening or it could just be dressed down for daytime. And that's the type of thing that you want. You want things that are going to be really versatile in your wardrobe. Always choose for these 3 basics, your linen trousers, your denim trousers or denim shorts, linen shorts. That's the other thing as well. I have some shorts here, which are also fantastic. I could put them on with a t-shirt, little silk shirt. I'll show you this as well, how I'm kind of dressing these up. But again, really, really simple. Now I've got them in a really neutral color like that. And I also have some white linen trousers as well, which I'll be taking away with me when I go. Now, with having these 3 basics, what you've got to do is really think about the colours that you've got in your wardrobe. If you've not had your colours done, I'd highly recommend you do that, because you can then really start to put your wardrobe together so it coordinates properly. Now, if you are going to get your colours done, definitely look for somebody with at least 10 years experience, because I don't think you properly learn till after that. You know, you have to have somebody who's worked with lots of different people. If you need help with that, book in for a chat with me. The chat's free. I'll put the link in the notes in here and I'd love to meet you. So yes, 3 basics: linen trousers, denim shorts, and then some sort of a dress. I recommend a wrap style dress like this, or I recommend a tea style dress, because they can be quite versatile, and we want to pack light. We want things that are versatile. Now, the next thing you need is a lightweight kind of blazer or a cardigan, something for maybe if the weather cools down in the evening, or wearing where somewhere is maybe air conditioned, even wearing on the plane. So I've kind of put together this little 3/4 length sleeve linen blazer. Now, I again would go for colours that are quite neutral, particularly for a jacket, so black or navy or ivory, or you know, these types of tones, because they will mix with other items in your wardrobe much easier. So I like this one. I like kind of 3/4 length sleeves. It might not be something you're interested in, but I absolutely love this style. So this could work with linen trousers and a stripy t-shirt underneath. It could also work with this dress. So when you choose that layer, choose something versatile. Now, the alternate to the linen jacket or the moto jacket is a little cardigan. I've got this vintage cashmere cardigan, which I've had for years. So if I was going to put this with something, I might take along this scarf, because I know this scarf has got lots of colours in it which go with other pieces in my wardrobe, because then that links things through a little bit and makes it more interesting. It's a brighter colour, so you could go for a brighter colour as well, but I would recommend, particularly with jackets, that you go quite neutral. I would also add a pop of colour, so it could be just my scarf, it could be this top that I've added in, gives it something a little bit more interesting. But you'll see that the rest of my outfit, even if I take this bag as well, is quite neutral. So that's why if you have those base layers, it works really well. I've got the white linen trousers, white loafers, off-white Teddy Blake bag, and then my scarf has this blue in it which links into the top, and then the white links into the trousers as well. So if you are taking something like this, really think about what it is it's going to link through to. Now, last but not least is accessories. Now, on this occasion, I'd probably just take this bag, because I feel like this one goes with most of my wardrobe. It's also quite versatile, it's quite big. I could take this out in the evening. It will fit everything in it for like a city break as well. I would take this scarf because I know this scarf links in with this top. It also links in with the trousers, and it could be a little bit of a pop of colour. I could put it in my hair as well if I wanted to at some point. So that's something that would be really interesting as well. I would likely take my trusty Birkenstocks because I know that they link in, and also they're great for walking in if, you know, I'm going over cobblestones or I'm doing a lot of walking one particular day. And then finally, I just take my white trainers. These are great for actually traveling to and from anywhere, at the airport type of thing. Just a basic pair of white trainers. And if I'm doing anything quite sporty, like for example recently when I was in Tunisia, we went quad biking, something like this would be really practical for that as well. So I would just take these 3 pairs of shoes, these loafers, these trainers, and my Birkenstocks, one scarf, one neck scarf which matches through to all the items in my wardrobe, and then one neutral bag as well, which I know would work. So if you think really carefully about the colour palette, you think about what you're taking and how it links in together, you can then add those accessories in and not overdo it. So that's some ideas for your perfect travel capsule wardrobe. Let me know in the comments what you always take as well. And let me know if there's anything here today that's actually inspired you. Next week, I'm going to be talking to the over 60s about elegant outfits, all women over 60 wear. So I'd love to see you there as well. If you've not done so already, download my capsule wardrobe planner. It's entirely free, and it will take you through how to build a capsule wardrobe. Having a capsule wardrobe is a fantastic starting point to build any travel capsule, because your wardrobe will be more coordinated from the beginning. So then once you're trying to put a travel capsule wardrobe together, it will be a lot easier. Have a wonderful week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.